Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock and unlock any chat in WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or WhatsApp contact, which contact you want to lock. Now tap on the chat name at the top and here scroll down and you will see here chat lock option. To lock the chat, enable chat lock. And here we can see use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this device. So tap on continue. And now you have to verify your face ID or fingerprint to lock this specific chat. And note one thing that currently WhatsApp doesn't provide any option to lock any chat using password or pattern. So if your phone supports Face ID, verify your Face ID. If your phone supports fingerprint, verify your fingerprint, and the chat will be locked. As you can see, the chat has been successfully moved to the locked chat section. And now to view your locked chat, go to locked chat folder, verify your fingerprint or Face ID, and here you will find all of your locked chats. Now to unlock any chat, go to the chat again, tap on the chat name and disable chat lock, verify your fingerprint or Face ID, and the chat will be unlocked. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.